Hello everyone, welcome to Cortex Telemedicine. So this is a functional overview of Sprint 19 or our latest release, what we have done. So this release is mostly focused on the backend development of the system. However, there are a few UI stuff also being done which can be seen or which can be realized by different users with the different roles. So getting started with it, this is a doctor logged in into the system. Now what we have done is we have kind of simplified the UI a bit, wherein we have put all the reports. Let's say right now we just have a remittance report in, so it's in the report. So we have a major category of menu here, and then the smaller category goes in here. So if we have another future versions of reports coming in, so it will all be clubbed under here. Now you can just go to here and you can just select your billing or whatever the period you want, and you can see the remittance report. That's one thing. The other thing is we have simplified the billing profile a bit here to just give you an understanding. So for example, what's an ABA number, what's a chip UID. So there's a tooltip. You just hover on any of the uh, text box, and then it will show you the tooltips. So the tooltips is for the major ones which are difficult to understand, but for the simple ones it's just a straight away text fields and you just need to enter those. So that's one change. The other change is here. So we got a request like where doctors, generally the request is from the doctors, like usually the patient doesn't know what needs to go into their medical record or medical questionnaire form. So now doctor can actually enter the things into the medical history or into the all the subsections of the medical questionnaire, right? So for example, if I have an allergy, now you can just answer like I have an allergy, call it dust allergy. So doctor can actually enter the right medical words that should go into the medical questionnaire or medical history of the patients. So that's it on the doctor side. So let's go now on to the client admin side or the billing admin side. So I'll just log out of this, just grab the user credentials, client admin. Okay, so this is the client admin again. You can see here a major change on the menu side is simplification of it. So now you have a report, and in this you have the subsections of a report, right? So you can just see this, all the reports clubbed into one. The other thing is now the payout report in the last print was a bit cluttered. Cluttered in a way like where it was working, but it was not working the way we wanted it. Now here we have cool thing. Here we have the report, and you can see all the things here. You can export the report, you can import. Let's say this report is just generally for paying out the remittance and the and paying out the the operational cost to Cortex, right? So here you can see now. So then you will see the Cortex payout, and this will be applicable on all the pages. So you have 3 pages, you can go down to any page and this will be shown in there in the bold. Now what you do is you can just export it. Right now it's not showing bank number or anything because it's not feeded up, but it will generally show up like how you can see it's showing up for Cortex. So similarly it will show for the other doctors as well. So you can just export it, give it to your bank. The bank just update it with the reference number, re-import the report, and then you can just re-import it. So once this is done, you can just click this, right, remittance clear. If you click this check, it will send the notifications to individual doctors like, hey, your remittance for this billing period has been cleared. Now if you say Cortex payout cleared, you can just say okay, the Cortex payout cleared. All right, the other thing is now we have like for every record which has the billing details, you have an edit button here, and you can actually enter the reference number, the payment reference number, and save this here like this. And you can actually send this like remittance clear. So you can either click here or you can click here like Cortex payout cleared, and it sends like, hey, we have cleared, and it shows a checkbox here, right? So it just does that. So it's up to the billing admin how they want to do it. Like for example, if if they are processing the remittance of one doctor with certain agencies or anything like that, they can do it manually, like just update the reference number here and just click, there will be three dots, click here and remittance cleared, so it will be done. And if they are doing for a whole lot of all the doctors in a one shot, then just use this button. So this is what the new payout report looks like on the well. Now apart from that, one major thing is on the end of billing cycle, all the reports, like for example these reports for client admin, the reports for doctors and everything will be emailed to the registered email ID, right? So all the things will be registered. So now the emails, to whom the emails is configured here, it will send an email to all the email recipients, so all the reports will be sent to an email. So this is a part of sprint 19 what we have seen. Lot of exciting stuff coming in next releases. Stay tuned. Thank you.